channel. I am Christine and Danielle if you guys are new here, and if you're already a supporter, welcome back. I really do appreciate all the continued support. It is December 19th, which means 6 days before Christmas, you guys. My 12 days of Christmas is like zooming by. I can't believe I'm sticking to it and actually completing it. But today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to sleek 4C hair, okay? So I have 4C hair. It's like rough and tough and coarse and thick, but I'm going to share with you girls and guys how to actually slick that and slay those edges. Because who said you cannot sleek 4C hair? Who said it? Who said it? So I'm gonna prove you wrong and show you in this tutorial, this quick, easy, simple tutorial, how to slick your 4C hair into a puff. But before I get into it, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Okay guys, so I'm just waking up and I'm just undoing my hair. I had it in this little cute style, but I'm just taking the side braids out and preparing it for the puff, okay? So this is my hair with the bantu knots and the braids out. Okay, so I'm going to start with some grapeseed oil. So nobody wants a dry puff, okay? You want your puff moisturized and sleeked and, you know, all that good stuff, especially with it being winter, okay? So next, I'm going to add the main choice, the moisture seal. That smells so good, y'all. It has like a tropical smell. It's just amazing. So I'm just rubbing that throughout my hair just to like help seal in that oil that I just put in my hair. And then I'm taking a pick and preparing the perimeter of my hair to be laid, honey, to be laid. So I'm taking some Eco Styler gel and I'm putting it around my perimeter, okay? But I'm not going to use a lot because Eco Styler gel does flake up when used with other products in my hair. So just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just taking a brush and just laying that down. Okay, so now it's time for Hicks. So I'm using Hicks Edge Control for my edges. So I'm just taking a toothbrush and like getting that baby hair out and ready to be laid, honey. I keep saying laid. Okay, so I'm just adding that to my edges. And then I'm going to actually put some around my hair, like on top of the Eco Styler gel that I used. So I end up using Hicks because I'm not going to say it's super hold, but it doesn't leave my hair hard. So I like gels that, you know, gets the job done but doesn't leave your hair crunchy. So that's why I've started using Hicks, and I do love it, and it does lay my 4C hair. Okay, so now I'm just taking a toothbrush and just doing like a swoop motion, I guess, just to get those edges to like lay that way. Okay, and I leave my side two pieces out. That's just something that I do. And now I'm just taking a pick and just like preparing my hair to go up in a high puff. So there's a headband I've broken, and I am just putting that on my hair and making sure that those side pieces are left out. And so I'm just lifting it up in the back as high as, you know, I want it to go. And then just going over those edges. Excuse my fiance's hand. He's so silly, y'all. Alright, so now I'm taking my handy dandy scarf and I'm going to let that sit while I do my makeup and finish the rest of my hair. Okay, so at this point, I'm taking some Eco Styler gel and I'm going to take those two little pieces and twirl them around my finger to make like a cute little curl. And that is really it, guys. So I am picking my hair just to make sure my puff is like rounded and not denting anywhere. Nobody wants a dent in puff. And that set about 10 to 15 minutes. My makeup is done and I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks. Boom. See, who said 4C hair doesn't lay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.